Just gonna get started. This box got pretty beat up. Show you right here. It got pretty beat up. See, just hoping that the scooter did not get damaged at all. See the hole right there. Right. This is what happens when you do international shipping. Just get to it. Oh. I got 2 boxes.
Oh.
Both of them the same damage. First box. This is wet.
Oh, man.
This box is wet. I'm not sure how this got wet. But I'm hoping that no water got into the scooter. Right. There it is. Put this down.
Sorted.
So that's the scooter in there. We're gonna pull it out and put it on my lift right here so we can take a look around and turn it on and all that stuff. Make sure everything powers and works. That wet area right there is a bit scary for an electric scooter. But the packaging, I got the off-road tires. I told them to put the off-road tires right there. My camera is choosing not to focus right. But yep, right there. I don't want to bore you guys. Let me just go ahead and bring this out. And hold the handle, grab the tires. Most likely the foam at the bottom will come out with it. So when you're picking it up, if you feel stuck in there, just pull the whole foam and everything out. Let me get this out of the way. I think there's still stuff inside the box. Alright, so taking a closer look, looks really dusty. I guess that's from the box. These things get really attached to the tires. So they get really attached. So there we go. Looking at the whole scooter.